Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I customize my frontals. So the first thing I do is I use water to spray on the hair just so it lays down so that I can see the part I'm working with. This wig came pre-plucked, so I'm not going to be plucking so much. I'm just going to pluck a little out of it. So the first thing you do is to make sure you comb all of the hairs backward. And when tweezing your hair, don't start from the very line, from the very first line like this. What you want to do is to take out the hairline just like this. Then you twist behind your hairline, because that way, just in case you make any mistake or you over pluck, that first line you section out will be able to cover any mistakes you must have done. I have only plucked a little, but it's already making a difference. I'm going to compare the two sides now for you to see. This is how the side is looking now, and this is the other side. So dense. And like I said before, never ever start plucking from the very first line of your hair, like the very edge. Don't do that. You want to always section that part out, then start plucking from behind the hairline. That way it looks more natural and gets kind of like cover any mistake you're going to make, just in case. You never can tell. Okay, I'm not going to be plucking this frontal too much. I'm just going to take out a little out of it, but depends on your preference. If you want it extra thin, then you can go ahead and take out some more, and if you want it medium, same thing goes for you. Next up, I'm going to cut out my baby hairs like so. Okay, I'm just doing a center part for this hair. Then next, I'm going to use my brush to like bring out my baby hairs in front like so. Okay, the mousse is to help me keep the baby hairs in place. Okay, now I'm going to tie it. And after a while, I'm going to take it off. And this is the final look of the customization. And if you want to see how I made this wig, I'm going to put a link up in the description box. Please check those out, and I'll see you next time.